A few weeks ago we did some of our accomplishments, some of our work with the community in Sandy Hill. Now we're here in Lowertown to showcase some of the projects we worked on. Tightly with the community, obviously starts here with Cathcart Park improvements. We want to make sure that the park usage is complimentary for all users, that you be a dog owner, that you be a young family, and ensuring that all enjoy the park safely. We've also done Rose Park, which is an adult fitness equipment. It used to be a passive, small green space in Lowertown East that's now well used for weekend and evening and morning fitness. Well, we're going to do a tour of the market, and there's a few other projects that we worked on in Lowertown that we want to highlight with you. Just last week, our video was in the Byward Market. We're back here to talk about the infrastructure importance. Obviously, the non-for-profit will manage all of the outdoor vending and all of the city-owned facilities. We want to bring back farmers, artisans, and make a very authentic and vibrant market here in Byward. But also the importance of infrastructure. We can't forget the importance and the responsibility of cities relating to infrastructure improvement, and there's nowhere where it's more important than here in the Byward Market. We highlighted the George Street Plaza. Now we're in front of the York Street Plaza, another very popular place. Those improvements need to continue to happen. Speaking of infrastructure, we've completed the feasibility study to remove the interprovincial trucks from downtown streets. The next step is an environmental assessment. The city's funds are in place. And we can't forget, in terms of infrastructure, housing, we've housed more than 7,600 residents over the last term, so that's since 2014. That's a significant number, but there rests a lot of challenges on the housing front here in Ottawa. Investing in local arts has been one of our important focus. We're here on King Edward Avenue. We have the Nouvelle Scène, which has seen an entire rebuild. We work closely with the French theater groups and the other levels of government to make this project a reality. We work closely with the Friends of McDonald Gardens to designate this park as a heritage park. It's one of the pristine urban green spaces. It's historic, and now we're working closely to see what will be the future investments, that it be trees, that it be some of the improvements to the park going forward. Over the next 4 years, we'll continue to work and preserve the heritage here in Lowertown and in the Byward Market. We'll also ensure that the environmental assessment is completed to build a truck tunnel, removing the interprovincial trucks from our downtown streets, connecting McDonald-Cartier Bridge to the 417. We'll ensure that we modernize and innovate in terms of housing so that we can reduce the amount of vulnerable residents in our shelters, and we will beautify the Byward Market with infrastructure investments.